Something else we can do with arrays is we could pass them down to other methods and have the method do the particular calculations. So in this instance, I have an array of 5 numbers, and I'm going to pass it down, we'll say 10 times. And we're going to have the program each time randomly pull 2 numbers and add them together and return the result. So let us go ahead and set up first our other method. So public static, we're going to return an integer. And in this integer, let's call it add numbers. That's what we'll call our method. And we're going to set this up exactly the same way, but instead of receiving variables in the method parameters, we're going to receive an array of variables. So I'm going to prove its difference by setting it up as a different name. And we're going to end the add numbers method here. It's only earning out because it's missing a return statement. What we'll return, we'll go ahead and set up our return statement so that it is happy. So, and right now it says variable might not have been initialized. There we go. So if nothing else, it will always return 0. All we're going to do here is we're going to set up integer we'll do rand1 equals integer, and we have to do it within the array parameters because otherwise it will not work. So math.random times set of numbers dot length. If we go outside of the set of numbers, it will not work properly. Int rand2 will do the exact same thing because we're pulling the random numbers out from the array. So I have 2 random numbers. So what those 2 random numbers are going to do is find the position of the index that we want to randomly add the number together. So you're going to add 2, 5, 8, 12, or 14 together, but these random numbers are going to tell the computer to go to 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 and pull out the appropriate information. So then answer will equal set of numbers from position rand1 plus set of numbers from position rand2. And then we'll return answer. So right now this will return the answer depending on the length of the array. So I'm going to do it once. System.out.println. I'm going to do add numbers and pass down numbers. And it passes down this whole array. So when I run it, it randomly added, I'm going to speculate and say it added 12 and 24 together to get 26. Next time it got 20, so it was 12 and 8, which means the random is working. That is good. Notice how in the upper parameter, I did not need to put the brackets. I did not need to put the brackets. And we do not need to do that each time that we pass down the different methods. Is it good practice to do so? No, it is not actually. You don't need to do that. In fact, if we do that, I'm going to guess that it will error out, which it does. So once you're calling to it, you're passing down the whole set. The set of numbers receives it. So to make it print out 10 times, I'm going to say int I equals 0. I is less than 10. Increases each time. I in this case has nothing to do with it other than making this print out 10 different answers. And I'm sure some of them probably are the same because I only gave 5 numbers to work with. You see some of the same numbers in there. So when we're passing information down to the methods, arrays especially, passing arrays down. We do not need to put the brackets in here, but we do need to set up the bracket receiver as if we were declaring an array up here. That's how you pass arrays in methods, or through methods to each other inside the parameters.